Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Arsenal travel to Toughmore, come defeat Burnley 1-0 against all odds. Now they got free kick wey Baba score for 30 minutes, now settle the game. Arsenal don't prove to the world say they fit handle physical opposition. Overall, the team played very well and special recognition to Ramsdale because the guy keep die. The guy good die, no be lie. So after the match, Paul Merson, who be one of our favorite pundits, come outside, they apologize to Ramsdale. Say when they first fight this guy, say they criticize the guy, say why Arsenal will pay almost 30 million or above 30 million for this kind of goalkeeper. We be saying now from Sheffield United in they come, he's saying criticize the guy well, but now we say the guy for the first 3 games for Arsenal can't keep clean sheets, can't command that in box 18. Everybody can't get confidence in him. You can't be like say this guy don't do better than Leno. Say I beg Ramsdale, no vex. Say they talk anyhow for your matter, I beg, accept my apology. I don't know say it good like this, so why they apologize. After the match, Ben White said come outside, they apologize to the fans, to the gaffer, to everybody. Say I beg, me they no vex for that error when do we nearly make Ramsdale concede penalty. Say just understand. Say come be like say the grass they very dry, so that's why I say make that pass. The pass will come go quick to Ramsdale. Way Ramsdale come rush come outside. Ramsdale come get back with Vidra. But they come talk say whether na penalty, I no be penalty. Maybe say referee safe come gas go watch VAR. When they got like say go look the monitor. Referee come go look at say Ramsdale leg touch the ball. They say leg no touch the ball for penalty because Anthony Taylor already point say penalty. Even me say when they analyze the game and say that say hey whoa say na penalty. So when they come go check VAR, they come say no say the guy leg don't touch the ball. So as the leg touch the ball, Anthony Taylor come cancel the penalty say it's null and void. So Ben White can say almost say he had skipped a beat that when 70 when he sub say hey whoa say the one goal where they don't suffer to score. Now because of him now they can't cancel him, so he just thank God, can't thank Ramsdale, say Ramsdale can save him from that kind of terrible situation. Still on the media setting, so they ask Mikel Arteta, say what did they solve with Thomas Partey now, because they see when Thomas Partey they do like this, say coachy, how far, I beg change me, I know they alright. So what did they solve now? So Baba can't say no be serious injury that they say they don't check him after the match, say na cramps. Say this guy never really play plenty games for Arsenal. So and that match was a very, very high intensity match. So that's why enough running, enough jumping and not doing everything. So landing, so that's why the guy can't get cramps. So for the next match, when they go play Tottenham Hotspur, saying go down recover. Say that one no be problem. At the same time, even Kerry and Ten himself, the guy they really batter the guy leg. Say that one self, na still cramps. Say all of them they go do alright for the match against Tottenham Hotspur. Say nothing serious. Everybody do okay. The boys are in high spirits. They are good. At the same time, on media settings, so they call the ask Arteta say what will be outstanding player. So Baba can talk say almost say number 1 Ramsdale. So no. The guy really do very well. Say they proud of the guy. Then another person again, Tomiyasu, our Japanese samurai. Say this guy he played very, very well. Even after the match, Arteta guys go for stadium, go meet Tomiyasu, holding head. Say boy, I will feel you. He try. Tomiyasu, all the aerial headers when he competes against anybody, he win them. All the duels, area duel, he win them. This is our backline. They really passed the test of Toughmore, which they call the Battle of Toughmore. Like me, yesterday was one of the days where we say, are they proud to be an Arsenal fan? Like we won against all odds. Place where we see everybody they talk say it will be very difficult for us because on the norms that place, na battleground, it always be difficult for us. And we go there, we can't excel. For their own game, we be dominant air game, we still dominate them. I was very, very happy. So I thought I don't talk saying standard performance. Tomiyasu, Gabriel Magalhaes, Ramsdale. The rest play well, but these 3 they were outstanding. For the media set itself, they ask Odegaard how the match they do. Now I they feel say he scored the winning goal. So I can talk say say him when they don't force Saka for that position, you just say if he score this so you can go carry the ball, drop and there, Partey come dazzle the keeper, Partey very strong, go side, come confuse the keeper. So you just check and just wipe it. They say that's when wipe say him perfectly time and with the right height and with the right speed. come wipe am. You know, see those walls sef, they come help am, they no jump. So as he just wipe am, the thing just enter, say straight in belle. Say you know, say Arsenal na great team. Forget say we don't lose some kind matches for the beginning, we no start well. But say no, they surprise, so they pick up points now. So you are a very nice team now. As long as everybody don't come back, say no, we are going somewhere. So you get confidence for the team, and they're very, very happy. At the same time, when the guy called the talk, say, after they scored that first goal, say the second half was war. That second half, you know, easy because Sean Dyke man come when they launch ball and say he never played that kind of football before. You say this style of football at the time when Liverpool play Burnley, Jurgen Klopp when they complain say Burnley na wrestling, say na wrestling Burnley they play. So they play football because their footballing philosophy is dead, is zero, and now they help them. So that's why the guys say, that second half now what because now launching upon launching. Gabriel Magalhaes, Tomiyasu, Ben White no really contest for header. Ben White just the sweep and they do. If Gabriel Magalhaes and Tomiyasu jump not ball, anyone will come the second ball go sweep and now what they just they do and everything can they work fine. Apart from that error with Ben White make, I don't think there was anybody who do error for that game, and we were very, very happy the way they play player. So that's just be my people. Another thing we come mar the game, we make the game come end in a bad way. I say the fans of Arsenal and the fans of Burnley come fight after full time. Because after the full time, when Arsenal don't win, Arsenal players come go thank their supporters, the away supporters, because they para, they chant, they sing, they in high spirits, they were very, very happy. So as they sing now, them come go. Even Ramsey himself, one dash person in shirts. I believe now the guys have also not two people dash shirts give the away fans. So Burnley fans, they're not gonna like the way those people they chant for their own home now. So I would see the world now. Why are they gonna make noise like this? They're gonna insult themselves. Because they did very close to the walkway. So this one going insult this one, this one going insult this one. Next thing, this one throw bottles, this one throw bottles now. So they come fight. Later, all the steward gonna come inside, separate everybody. Everybody gonna come up for stadium. So now the FA they investigate what instigates that fight, what cause them, you know. We then check everything. But last, we have to say we go there, we collect 3 points. But that place, it's not an easy ground. I don't go lie for now. This Ramsdale are the best buy of the season. Are the best. If they see me, they check all the people clubs buy. This guy are the best buy, and I don't get the most impact for any club. Imagine first 3 games clean sheets. When was the last time Leno keep back to back clean sheets? Now, not be the same defenders. Just they very, very happy. Even see, nobody talks to them go score Ramsdale, but even if they will score, you don't concede cheap goals. Goals will be say, even me will not be professional goalkeeper, I fit catch am. You know, all those kind of silly errors. Now make a lot of us they frown at them, so we don't get confidence in them again. Say, be Baba come out time. Now if we say they won't sell them, then tell them fine square root January, go join Inter Milan. Even if now Okonkwo will deputize for Ramsdale, no wala. January if we still buy one person, Onana still there, they never sell Onana never go anywhere, still they Ajax. So they let them just come out of bed. We don't need see that passion waiting for Ramsdale. The guy they keep, he's proud of our team, and the guy is just 22 years compared to Leno, the old man. Mamo continue to keep Ramsdale jare. Maybe Leno just take in place for number 2. Fire square root, you don't want to again. Another thing where people call it debates, now the penalty debates you get. So for you, she takes in a penalty, I will not be penalty because a lot of people don't talk. Some pundits, because after the match, I can't watch and right, and some people they can't talk. Some say a penalty, some say it was not a penalty because his leg touched the ball. You know, a lot of people just talk plenty. But for me, as I see the thing, it be like penalty. But last when I don't watch you play, watch and multiple times, I can't say if to say no be say Ramsdale leg touch that ball, if it be penalty, and if to say those people score 1-1, everything for scatter. If they very hard to come back and when they win 2-1. So overall, my dear football lovers, when I just calm down, we get where we go. We don't finish this physicality test now. Another test, now we did not London derby. Arsenal versus Tottenham Hotspur. We could see how our Japanese samurai and Magalhaes and Ramsdale will fare. We could know whether Lacazette will come into that game because I don't know how they play. How I need to test Benjamin. There are no sacred cows. The way they take bench Leno, where they bench Auba like that, put on bench. Even if Saka said, I never seen impact these days. I don't know what they saw. So if not to put Saka for Benjamin, put Martinelli. Remember that there are no sacred cows. We are not in love with the players. We are in love with Arsenal. We get unconditional love for Arsenal, not for the players. Because now if you love player, you know can't love Arsenal. Now you're gonna talk so why they don't put this guy? Supposed to put this guy this one. Hey, I don't want to support the club again. When you have unconditional love for a club, whether good, whether bad, come rain, come sun, you go still there for the club back. That is why me 100% now Arsenal I support, because soldier go, soldier come. Barracks will do it in. Barracks will remain. So that's it, just of my people. So my dear football lovers, now you will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless.